Are your restaurant employees leaving frequently? Hiring and training can strain your finances. High turnover is costly, but manageable. Many owners face this challenge, feeling stuck in a revolving door. Knowing the causes can help you address turnover. Low pay, stress, unpredictable schedules, and limited growth push employees away. These factors create workplaces lacking loyalty. Turnover costs are significant. Recruiting, training, and lost customer satisfaction drain resources. Team morale drops, leaving management burned out. You can reduce turnover with effective strategies. Start by improving pay to demonstrate you value your team. Next, create clear growth paths. Offer training and promote from within, showing employees their potential in your restaurant. Respect work-life balance with predictable schedules to boost loyalty and reduce stress. A positive work culture is vital. Small celebrations and appreciation foster support. Lastly, prioritize clear communication. Use structured tools like Zenzap to keep everyone informed. No more missed updates or confusion. Effective communication builds trust and loyalty, differentiating your restaurant. Better tools create an engaged workforce ready to deliver excellent service. High turnover isn't unavoidable. It reflects challenges you can tackle. Act now to save time, enhance customer experiences, and build a positive workplace. Ready to transform your restaurant into a great workplace. Explore Zenzap for improved communication and a more connected team.